Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your taroAds account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in taroads.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website of taroAds. Just log in to your account if you haven't done so already, and now you will be able to find the support tab. Just hover over and then click on support tickets. Now from this page, go ahead and click on the new ticket button, and now you will be allowed to create a new support ticket. Just click on the taroAds service that you use, and then within the subject you can simply type in delete my account. Now within the message section you can simply type in that you wish for your account to be deleted, and you can finally click on the submit ticket button, and then your support ticket will be sent. Once your ticket is received by taroAds, they will send you an email which will contain a link that will allow you to delete your account. Once you follow the instructions within the email, your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your taroAds account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.